Hello my little warriors, welcome back. Let's do this question from the 2026 examination, CBSE Class 10 examination held in February. Very simple question. Okay, we need to prove sine A plus secant A the whole square plus cos A plus cosecant A the whole square is equal to 1 plus secant A into cosecant A the whole square. Okay. Now we will solve LHS and RHS, okay, because we need to see the expansion of RHS so that we can solve the LHS accordingly. Okay. Now let me write the question first. Some of the students will get confused, like how we know that we need to apply whether it is sine, whether sine or cos or whatever it is, so that we get LHS is equal to RHS. The clue is, see the RHS, you need 1 plus secant A plus cosecant A. So what you do is, first you expand this and after that try to bring it to secant A and cosecant A. Okay. So let us expand this. So LHS will be sine square A plus secant square A plus 2 sine A secant A plus cos square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 cos A cosecant A. Okay. Now if you see here, sine square A plus cos square A will become 1. Okay. And then we will write this secant square A and cosecant square A together. So next step, so I told sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore this one will be 1 plus secant square A plus cosecant square A plus 2. This secant A I can write it as 1 by cos. So this will become 2 sine A into 1 by cos A plus 2 cos A into 1 by sine A. Cosecant A I can write it as 1 by sine A. So what I did in this step is, secant A I can write it as 1 by cos A, and cosecant A I can write it as 1 by sine A, and sine square A is sine square A plus cos square A I made it as 1. Okay. The next step will be, after this step, let's see what does RHS leads to, so that we can convert LHS to that particular equation. Okay. So let's expand this, and if we expand that, RHS will come to 1 plus secant square A into cosecant square A plus 2 secant A cosecant A. Okay. I won't be able to expand this further. If I expand also, I can only maximum I can make it as 1 by cos square A and 1 by sine square A. That is not going to get me to some solution. So I will leave it at this. Now we need to convert LHS to this format. Okay. First we will convert this. Let's see what we can get from this. So if I see here, I get 2 sine A by cos A. So what I can do is, I will take 2 common, and then cos A and sine A I will take it as LCM, and then the numerator will be equal to sine square A plus cos square A, which is equal to 1. So the next step will be 1 plus secant square A plus cosecant square A plus 2, I will take it as common. The numerator will be sine square A plus cos square A, and the denominator will be cos A into sine A. Okay. Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So the next step will be 1 plus secant square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into 1 by, that equals 1 plus secant square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 If cos A goes up, it will be secant A, sin A goes up, it will be cosecant A. So then this one will be 2 into secant A cosecant A. Now if you see, this is actually come to this. Now only thing we need to convert is this. So what we will do is, we will write this as 1 by cos and 1 by sin square A. Take LCM, okay, and the numerator will be sin square A plus cos square A. Denominator will be sin square A into cos square A, and if you inverse this, you are going to get the answer. So simple it is. See, this solving such questions is more like a chess problem, like you need to foresee, if I go like this, what I will achieve. You need to think 2 steps in advance. What? 2 steps in advance, and see what I will achieve. And if you can visualize that, then you can reach the answer very easily. So 1 plus 1 by cos square A by 1 by sin square A plus 2 secant A cosecant A, that equals 1 by 1 plus, if you take LCM, it will be sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos square A into sin square A plus 2 secant A cosecant A. So this one will become 1, and 1 by cos square A is actually secant square A, 1 by sin square A is actually cosecant square A. So what I will write in the next step is 1 plus secant square A into cosecant square A plus 2 secant A cosecant A. Now you can see LHS has been made equal to RHS. This is the solution for this particular question. So basically you need to see the RHS and see what if I convert, I can reach this particular answer. So first we expanded by a plus b the whole square. After that we got this, the like terms, these two were made it as 1. Then here what we did is we combined these two, and then we got common LCM, and then we wrote 1 by cos A sin A, and then we got 2 secant A cosecant A. In the meantime we converted RHS and see what we are getting at 2. So we, when at this particular step we saw we got this, we only need this. So that also is very simple. So once you do by 1 by cos square A plus 1 by sin square A, then by taking LCM you are going to achieve it. Okay. So I told you, you need to think like chess game, 2 or 3 steps in advance. That doesn't mean only when you are good in chess you will be able to do it. No, this is much different. The more you practice, this comes much easier. You will visualize, see, you will appreciate. Now at the beginning you will tell, okay, very tough and all, but once you keep doing this, automatically your pen will lead you to this particular step so that you can reach the answer. And trigonometry at 10th standard level is basic. Once you go in 11th standard and 12th standard, they get more advanced. Even when they go advanced, they are very interesting. I used to love trigonometry when I was studying in my 10th standard and 11th standard and 12th standard, because the more you run away from trigonometry, the more harder it gets. The more you go closer to trigonometry, the more easier it becomes. And one day you will tell me, trigonometry is the most easiest subject in this world, because here you know what is the answer. You just have to prove RHS, LHS is equal to RHS, and you can get RHS in whichever way it is. Some person will convert this as 2 tan theta by 2 cot theta. Even for that particular person, he will reach the answer. Maybe the steps will be slightly longer. The more you practice, the mind will lead you to go to the answer directly. Okay, so do not run away from trigonometry. Head to it, face it. And once you face it, you find it is very easy. One of the most easiest subject in mathematics is trigonometry. Some people think trigonometry is very hard. No, it is. Trigonometry is the most easiest and the most interesting subject, and plus the chances of getting an answer wrong is very little, because you know what is RHS and you need to get the LHS to that particular solution. So once you keep working on it, you will find the answer very easy. So don't leave. So hope I made you understand this particular question which has come into the examination, and in case of any doubts, or in case of any trigonometry equation for which you are not able to find a solution, please drop a comment and then I will be very happy to reply to it. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next video.